Did you know that ChatGPT can also help you with SEO for your blog? First, let's talk about what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of optimizing your website or blog to rank higher in search engine results pages. The higher your site ranks, the more traffic you're likely to get, which can lead to more leads, sales, and revenue. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help with SEO for your blog. Here are a few ways. Use ChatGPT for keyword research. ChatGPT can help you identify relevant keywords and phrases that people are searching for. This information can be used to optimize your blog content and increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine result pages. For example, if you're writing a blog post about digital marketing tips, ChatGPT can suggest related keywords like social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and so on. Use ChatGPT for content optimization. ChatGPT can also help you optimize your blog content for SEO. For instance, if you're writing a blog post about healthy recipes, ChatGPT can suggest related keywords like vegan recipes, low-carb recipes, gluten-free recipes, and so on. By including these keywords in your blog post, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine result pages. Use ChatGPT for title tags and meta descriptions. ChatGPT can help you write compelling title tags and meta descriptions for your blog posts. These are the snippets that appear in search engine result pages and give users an idea of what your blog post is about. By optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions with relevant keywords, you can improve your click-through rates and attract more traffic to your blog. Use ChatGPT to help with internal linking. ChatGPT can help you identify opportunities for internal linking within your blog. Internal linking is the practice of linking to other relevant pages or blog posts within your site. By doing so, you can improve the user experience and help search engines understand the structure of your site. Use ChatGPT to find and answer user queries. Finally, ChatGPT can help you answer common user queries related to your blog topic. By doing so, you can improve your chances of appearing in featured snippets, which are the quick answers that appear at the top of some search engine result pages. Now that you know how ChatGPT can help with SEO for your blog, let's look at some practical examples. Let's say you're a food blogger and you're writing a blog post about healthy smoothie recipes. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to optimize your blog post. Use ChatGPT to identify relevant keywords like green smoothies, protein smoothies, and kale smoothies. Include these keywords in your blog post, particularly in the title, subheadings, and throughout your blog content. Use ChatGPT to write a compelling title tag and meta description that includes the keyword healthy smoothie recipes. Link to other relevant blog posts on your site, such as 10 healthy breakfast recipes or 5 easy blender recipes. Use ChatGPT to answer common queries like, how do I make a smoothie without a blender? Or what are the benefits of adding chia seeds to my smoothie? By following these tips, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages and attracting more traffic to your blog. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for optimizing your blog content for SEO. By leveraging its capabilities for keyword research, content optimization, title tags and meta descriptions, internal linking, and answering user queries, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine result pages and attracting more traffic to your blog. So, start using ChatGPT for your blog today and see the results for yourself. If you found anything useful in this video, don't forget to give a like, share, or comment. And if you want more useful videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our info-packed videos in the future. See you next time.